Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and connect your Twitter or X feed to your Discord profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Discord and select the U icon in the bottom corner to open up your profile page. Then select the gear icon up in the top right. Underneath account settings, you want to go down and select connections and then select the plus item over here to expand and see all the connection types. Go down and select X, and then you would have to sign into your X account or authorize integration, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.